Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can make add to cart button shake in Shopify. So most of the people would be thinking why this requirement is necessary in the first place. So why we need the button clicking? So what's the problem with a normal add to cart button? The answer to this question is that it just brings some twist to the store, and obviously I have seen that people are actually impressed when you focus add to cart button and when it stands out. That's the only reason. While I'm using the Vitals app, I turn on this feature so that the add to cart button has some animations, something like this, and people actually like this thing. So also this tutorial was on demand. I searched on YouTube, and a lot of people were making this tutorial. So I thought to do a comprehensive and more easier version of this tutorial and show you the code how you can make add to cart button shake in three different ways actually. So the three different ways are mild shake, medium shake, and hard shake. So these are the options. It depends on your brand. If you want the mild shake option, obviously I will show you how you can do it. But this is not something you have to use the app or a complex code that a non-developer can't use. Everyone who is a store owner can use this code without need of any developer. This is very easier to use, and I have obviously used the some AI resources to streamline this code and to make it more easier, because obviously the customer and at the customer end the code should be easier to implement. Not only it should look good, it should be very easier to implement. So without wasting any time, so this is the test store, and I will make this add to cart shake, and this is the basically code that we have to copy without any complexity, nothing else. So open base.css and insert the following code at the bottom. So just open base.css and add this code like until this, yeah, at the bottom. You can add it anywhere, but obviously just to make the thing streamline, I will have told you that add it at the bottom. Again, this is the wrong theme. Uh, the new theme, the horizon theme, it is not yet established at all, so I'm not making tutorials for it. So I'm planning to make that tutorials for it as well. But this code will work for almost everything, so you don't have to worry. So you have to type base.css and then you have to add this code at the bottom. Sorry, so it's getting a little slower. Uh, so yeah, so this is just bottom of the code. So just give some spaces so that the code is differentiated. So this is our code, and as you can see, the AI has added some you can say emojis as well to differentiate. That's why I use AI to correct my code so that it basically adds the comments and make it easier for the users to understand. So as you can easily understand that this is the code for the mild shake, this is for the medium shake, and this is for the hard shake, and obviously the keyframes are done in a similar manner, so you can differentiate and easily judge what code has the purpose of our functionality. So I will click on save. Okay, so the step one is that's it. This is the step one, no complexity at all. And okay, so let's go towards the step two. Now you just need to add the class manually to the add to cart button inside by buttons.liquid. So you have to figure out the class for the add to cart, and then you have to add. For example, if you want the mild shake, you have to add the class mild shake, shake medium, for example, or you can say shake mild. And if you want to add the medium, you have to add shake medium and shake hard. I will show you step by step. That's very so. It depends on your brand. So, for example, you have to open the buy buttons.liquid. So step number two is buy buttons.liquid. Buy buttons.liquid. Okay. So I've opened this file. Let's find out the code button type is equal to submit. So this is I just want to find this code like okay. I don't want you to confuse. So just copy this one and search it. Mm, So let's see where we find the button. It is search bar is actually not working. So let's see. Where is the button hidden? That's strange. Okay, so the button actually start with the ID. So don't need to search for it. You just have to see where the button type is called submit. So button ID is called to product submit button. This is on the line 73. So button ID is equal to product submit, type is equal to submit, name is equal to add, class is equal to this one. So we have to extend this class name for the animation. That's it. So for instance, okay. So for example, let's go to the last step. You can replace shake medium with shake mild or shake hard. So for example, I want to let's start with shake medium. Just copy this one and we have to embed it in this class. So this is actually line number 77, just to make sure. So shake medium and then click on save. Let's see how it actually works. So I think this is an old code running before. So let's refresh. So this is the mild animation in front of you. This is working really fine. Doesn't stop. It just entertains the user, and he has to make the decision that I just have to click on add to cart. This is the best decision maker thing that you can do. So it will animate constantly, and then for example, let's try another one. You can replace it mild or shake hard, mild or hard. So for example, let's go with shake hard. So basically, shake hard would be less harder than you think, because basically it will shake the whole button in a different way. So for example, shake hard. Okay, so instead of shake medium, I've just replaced the medium word with hard. And now let me refresh again. So this is the shake hard and then the shake mild one. Okay, let's start. So there are the three different versions. And if you are thinking that hard is less harder and mild is less milder, so that doesn't matter. You just have to change the class name, and you can try the thing that works for you. So shake mild, in my opinion, I like the shake medium because it is somehow stable. Shake mild is a bit faster than the shake harder actually. So let's do this thing. So as you can see, this is a different kind of animations. As you can see, the transformations, the keyframes are also different from shake hard and shake mild. Like it does the animation in a different way. So you can perceive the thing in so perceive the thing in a different way, and your perception can be different. But you have the options. This code working perfectly. You can shake medium, shake mild, or shake hard, and the type of brand you are owning. If any of the thing works for you, you can go with it. In my case, I will definitely go for shake medium. And if you have a brand that really loves the shake mild, you can go with shake mild, or in the last slot you can go with shake hard. So the code is very simple to understand, and let me know if there is any issue. But this is the code that working. You just have to extend the class name. First, you have to add the base.css, the code in the base.css, and then you just have to extend the class either shake medium, shake mild, or shake hard. So I hope this different tutorial would be helpful to you. And in case of any issue, please let me know. If you're using any other thing, make sure that you find the right code for the add to cart button. In case of don't think, it works perfectly. Thank you very much.